In this video, I'm going to show you how to make the YouTube screen smaller on your TV. Whether you're watching in full screen and want to resize it, or you're using picture-in-picture for multitasking. These tips work on most smart TVs including Roku, Android TV, LG WebOS, and Samsung Tizen. If you're watching a video on YouTube and it's stuck in full screen, try pressing the Home or Menu button on your remote. That usually brings up the app menu and shrinks the video automatically. On some TVs like Android TV or Fire TV, you can long press the back button to minimize the YouTube app and return to the home screen while keeping the video playing in the background. For picture-in-picture (PIP) mode, tap the PIP icon if it's available during playback. Not all TVs support this feature by default. If you're using a streaming device like Roku or Apple TV, check the remote shortcuts or settings for split screen or mini view options. And if none of these work, consider using a web browser on your smart TV and openm.youtube.com for a mobile-style layout with more control over screen size. Thanks for watching. If one of these methods helped you resize YouTube on your TV, drop a comment below and let me know which one worked for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy smart TV tips. See you next time.